If your Infiniti QX80 is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. The vast majority of CarPlay failures are software glitches that can be resolved in under 5 minutes. First, we need to determine if the problem is your phone, the cable, or the InTouch system. Always start with the basics by ensuring your phone is unlocked and Siri is fully enabled. Hardware issues like frayed cables or lint in your charging port are the most frequent silent killers. Inside your InTouch settings, verify that your device is specifically authorized for smartphone integration. Depending on your QX80 model year, you might be fighting a physical cable or a wireless handshake error. Nearly half of all reported issues are solved simply by swapping to a certified Apple cable. To perform a hard reset, hold the power knob until the screen goes dark and reboots. If the car is fine, try forgetting the vehicle in your iPhone's CarPlay settings and repairing from scratch. Software updates often contain the specific patches needed for newer iPhone compatibility. With these steps, your QX80 should be back online, safe driving, and enjoy the music.